A worn-out bicycle chain can not only cause poor shifting performance, it can actually wear out components, potentially leading to a much more costly problem. The CC-4.2 chain checker is an easy-to-use chain wear gauge that quickly and accurately indicates whether a chain has begun to wear. The laser-cut CC-4.2 contacts the chain in 3 places, providing an accurate measurement of 0.5%, 0.75%, and 1% wear on all bicycle chains, including SRAM Flattop and T-Type chains. Using the CC-4.2 is easy. Begin by engaging the hook tip behind a roller. We recommend engaging at the narrower end plate to avoid any chance of the hook catching a chain plate. Next, engage the tension hook. Apply pressure to the chain between the hook and tension tip. Maintain pressure here as you use the tool. Lower the gauge tip behind the roller. If you squeeze here and the gauge tip will not go into the chain, there is little wear on the chain. If the first third of the gauge tip will fit behind the roller, the chain is partially worn. This chain is worn to 0.5% or beyond. If 2/3 of the gauge tip fits, the chain is at beyond 0.75. For most modern systems, it should be replaced. And finally, if the entire gauge tip fits, the chain is worn to 1% and should be replaced. Drivetrain manufacturers may have specific chain wear recommendations, but here are some basic guidelines. 11, 12, and 13-speed chains should be replaced once they reach 0.5% wear. Chains for 10-speed and under should be replaced as they reach 0.75% wear. If the chain is worn beyond 0.75%, the chain should be replaced immediately. Other drivetrain components may need to be replaced as well. For single-speed and two-sprocket bicycles, the chain should be replaced at 1% chain wear. Take the guesswork out of chain replacement with the CC-4.2 from Park Tool.